Hello, people. Oh my god. I don't know. Now onwards, I've just decided no matter what my content, I'm going to just be very happy making my recordings because I read this in a book that says that if you really want to like earn or whatever, you should do something that is of service to people. Probably I should stop my channel altogether because that will be in itself a service. But no, seriously. So I realized that this whole thing of being able to make people laugh, yeah. Like there's this YouTuber, yeah, Kusha Kapila, yeah. You all can check her thing on Instagram. Oh my god. I mean, it's like inane, okay? She's just like going on, how the accents of Delhi aunties and, it's thing. But I mean, when each of her videos really like brightens up my day, yeah. I mean, because it's just so funny. I mean, so keeping that in mind, I mean, no, yeah, like I've decided my videos are going to be conversational because that is something I'm very good at, like just non-stop nonsense. So but seriously, and also this thing that we feel that, oh my god, we have to give some profound message, that is not necessarily true at all. So yeah, but check this YouTuber out. Yeah, she features in this the ghost stories, as in Karan Johar's ghost stories. So just amazing. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.